In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to connect Mailchimp to your WordPress site using the block editor. If you've ever wanted to capture emails directly from your website and start building your email list, this beginner-friendly guide will walk you through everything step by step. By the end, you'll have a fully working sign-up form on your page, ready to turn visitors into subscribers. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, there's one quick requirement. You'll need to be using WordPress.com or have the Jetpack plugin installed on your self-hosted WordPress site. This is important because we'll be using the built-in Mailchimp block, which depends on Jetpack. Now, go ahead and open any post or page where you want to add your sign-up form. This could be a blog post, homepage, or even your About page. You can always move or duplicate the form later, so don't worry too much about placement right now. Once your page is open in the WordPress editor, look at the top left corner and click the plus icon. This is how you add new blocks in the block editor. When the block panel appears, use the search bar and type Mailchimp. You should see the Mailchimp block appear in the results. Click on it, and just like that, a sign-up form will be added directly to your page. If you don't see the Mailchimp block, double-check that Jetpack is installed and activated. Without it, the block won't be available. Next, you'll need to connect your Mailchimp account. Inside the block, you'll see a Connect to Mailchimp button. Click on it. A pop-up window will open asking you to log in to your Mailchimp account. Enter your login details. If you don't already have an account, you can create one during this step. After logging in, Mailchimp will ask you to authorize the connection with WordPress. This step is important because it securely links your website to your Mailchimp account. Once you approve the connection, you'll be redirected back to your WordPress editor. Now, look at the right-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see settings for the Mailchimp block. This is where you choose which audience list your subscribers will be added to. If you have multiple audiences, make sure to select the correct one. If you only have one, it will usually be selected by default. Take a moment to double-check this, because choosing the right audience ensures your contacts are properly organized from the start. You can also customize the form's appearance. For example, you can edit the button text, adjust labels, or change the success message that appears after someone signs up. This step is optional, but it's a great way to match the form with your website's style and branding. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Update or Publish on your page. And that's it. Your Mailchimp sign-up form is now live on your WordPress site. From this point on, any visitor who fills out the form will be automatically added to your Mailchimp audience, ready for your email campaigns. This is one of the simplest and most effective ways to start growing your email list directly from your website. Now, let's quickly summarize the steps. First, open a page or post in WordPress. Next, click the plus icon and search for the Mailchimp block. Add the Mailchimp block to your page. Then click Connect to Mailchimp and log into your account. Authorize the connection between WordPress and Mailchimp. Choose the correct audience list in the block settings. Customize the form if needed. Finally, publish or update your page to make the form live. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.